In this video, we will take a deep dive into the Delphi development platform and its powerful features. Delphi is a comprehensive IDE that allows developers to create software for multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, with minimal effort. It uses the Object Pascal language, which is known for its readability and efficiency in app development. We'll go over the interface, the toolset, and some key features that make Delphi one of the top choices for developers. The RD Studio integration within Delphi provides users with a seamless environment for both visual design and coding. By leveraging powerful components and libraries, Delphi helps streamline the development process. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Moving forward, we will look at how to create a new project, utilize built-in components, and customize the layout for cross-platform deployment. Whether you're building desktop software or mobile applications, Delphi offers the flexibility and power to create professional solutions quickly. Now, let's dive into the core features and tools, showcasing how Delphi ensures that you can optimize your development workflow and build applications that deliver top-notch performance. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and tutorials. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and share your thoughts in the comments.